Hi buddy, and welcome back. Now, there's nothing worse than being in your car at night and needing your Maplight or needing your dome light or your cargo light in your car, and your lights don't work for you. Possibly the fuse is blown. And I've been getting a lot of requests for a video about where the fuse is located. One thing I do want to mention is some of you might be doing LED upgrades to your map light or your dome light or your cargo light, and there is a possibility that you can put these LEDs in backwards. So if your lights worked before and you put an LED in it doesn't work, pull it out and rotate it 180 degrees and put it back in that hole. Now, like many of you, I thought that it would be located here under the dash. That is not the case. This is where we're going to find the fuse for your interior lights. All right, so there's a tab here and there's a tab right here. So you have to squeeze these, lift up, and pull this out. All right, so here we are in the book. And you can see it's this one right here that we're going for. And that one is number 8. And number 8 over here says backup. So here's the fuse for your interior lights. And there is no mention of it in the book where this fuse is. And it's just beyond me why they put it underneath the hood. But if you want to try removing it, there's a little fuse tool right here. You take this and put it around your fuse, squeeze it down by the base, and then just remove it. Now you can see that little upside down U shape in there, and this fuse is good. If it's bad, the center of this will probably be blown out. If you have a multimeter, you can test these like this. And that's just testing the ohms going across it, so you'll know that the fuse is good. That's just like making a connection like this. Now, if your fuse is blown and you're going, great, I don't have a 20 amp fuse. Well, fear not. Your top cover here does have a couple spare fuses for you. And there's a 20 amp right there for us. But if you put that 20 amp in there and it blows, you don't want to go putting a 25 in there or a 30 in there. If it keeps blowing, you have a short somewhere. Once we're done with everything, don't forget to put your tool back away. Now we put the cover back on. We'll seat this section up by the fender first. And just make sure it's seated down all the way. So there you go, that's all there was to it. It's just that simple. Now you guys can stop tearing up the internet, searching on Google or Bing or whatever the heck you use, trying to find someone who's going to show you where your fuse is for your dome light and your map lights. That's all I've got for you guys today. Take care, everybody, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye now.